Good morning and welcome to Exit Through the Gift Shop. Today we are at the Yard Birds Mall in Chehalis, Washington. The remnants of a once thriving chain, this is the last location of Yard Birds, now home to what is touted as the Northwest's largest swap meet. This very unique collection of odds and ends, different vendors and swap meet style store. There's a unique array of shops inside the Yard Birds Mall. You can get a haircut, do some vaping, get some gifts, get yourself a tux, and maybe a tattoo while you're at it. Another inhabitant of the mall is the Shanks Blacklight Mini Golf, Arcade, and Theater. Alright, and this here's a real treat. Sitting out front is a gigantic roadside attraction. This 40-foot Yardbird greets visitors and welcomes them to the mall. Right below, we've got a little baby Yardbird who's under its mother's wing. Even the baby is probably about, I would say, 10 to 15 feet tall in itself. So Yardbirds was originally a home improvement chain, which explains where the name came from. It's kind of cool to see what this has evolved into. And here's one of the Yardbirds themselves dressed up for Halloween. Doing a little exploring in the seemingly endless aisles. Thousands and thousands and thousands of VHS tapes, books. This place is so big that I actually have already got lost in here, and I've only been here for 5 minutes. So the first thing that strikes me is that this place is huge. You could wander for hours in here. If you're into thrifting, or if you're into just looking for a unique item or looking for a treasure, this is the place to be. Apparently there's more vendors on the weekends if this endless assortment of goods isn't enough for you. So check out Yard Birds Mall for a very cool roadside attraction, and while you're here you can poke around the Northwest's largest swap meet. That's it for today from Yard Birds Mall. Hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all our latest adventures, and check out our interactive map to see all of the other unique and interesting places and roadside attractions that we've been to. Until next time, it's time to exit through the gift shop. Customer.